History. Unit 1. Advent of Europeans to India. We have to read this lesson. I'll only read but won't explain. There were trade and commerce relationship between India and Europe since ancient times. There was a great demand for Indian spices like pepper, cardamom, ginger, and many other spices in Europe. Spices like pepper, cardamom, and ginger were in great demand in Europe. That's all. We have to remember this point: pepper, cardamom, ginger, and many other spices. The trade connection continued between India and Europe and other Asian countries even during Middle Ages. Other Asian countries means China, Indonesia, Sri Lanka, etc. etc. Arab merchants carried Asian merchandise into Constantinople. I have already shown the position of Constantinople. It is the modern day Istanbul in world map of Eastern Roman Byzantium Empire. It is important point. They may ask it for a MCQ question or 1 mark question. Italian merchants would buy these goods and then sell in European countries. Like this, Constantinople was the center of international business and considered as gate of European trade. While Arab merchants gained monopoly over Europe, Arab merchants, traders, monopoly over Europe. Arab merchants gained monopoly Asian countries. Italian traders had gained monopoly over Europe. Trade in Europe. Merchandise from Asia had brought good profits to Italian merchants. You have already understood that Arab merchants had gained monopoly over Asian routes and Asian trade, while Italian merchants had monopoly over European countries, trade monopoly over European countries. They were making profit out of this trade. Trade and commerce between Asia and Europe was taking place through the city of Constantinople. In 1453, trade routes connecting the city of Constantinople came under the control of Turks. I have shown it in the map, isn't it? Istanbul is in Turkey, isn't it? Turks started levying too many taxes on the goods passing through these routes. As a result, merchants felt that trade was not profitable. Meanwhile, Spain and Portugal, I have also shown the position of Spain and Portugal, were attempting to break the monopoly of Italian traders. They started encouraging courageous sailors to find sea route to India. The invention of compass, astrolabe, and gunpowder provided further impetus to this venture. Compass, here you can see compass, which shows north-south direction. Okay, it is used to see the north-south. Astrolabe is an astronomical instrument which is used to measure the height of astronomical bodies. By this, they can understand the time. As you already know, the gunpowder is used to what? Destroy the enemies.